If you have an external monitor attached to your laptop, then you can either use the mouse to drag apps between the monitors, or you can use the Windows Shift and left arrow keys to move an app to the left screen, or you can use the Windows Shift and right arrow keys to move an app to the right screen. If you already know how to choose between the various display combinations for the extra monitor, then skip to the next step using the timestamps in the description. Else keep watching. To open the projector mode or the presentation mode options, press Windows and P keys and select the option of your choice. First option enables display only on the laptop screen. Option 2 enables the same display on both the screens. Option 3 enables the display to be extended to both the monitors, meaning you can display different apps or windows on different screens. Option 4 disables the laptop screen and allows you to use only the external monitor. I've shown in one of my previous videos how to cycle through all the open apps using the Alt and Tab keys and the Windows and Tab keys. But what if you want to cycle through all the open windows of a single app? Hold down the Control key and keep clicking on its icon in the taskbar, and then release the Control key after you've reached the window you were looking for. You can quickly open the programs on the taskbar using the keyboard. Press the Windows and the number 1 key to open the first program that's positioned after the Task View button, and the Windows and the number 2 key to open the second program, and so on. On the taskbar, all the instances of similar apps are grouped together, and to open a particular instance of an app, you need to first bring the mouse pointer over the app group and then move to the specific instance and click on it. To display all the instances of apps separately, right-click on the taskbar and click on Settings, and then in the Combination Taskbar buttons drop-down box, select Never, and then at the top turn off the Lock the Taskbar option. If you have a lot of apps open and need to minimize all the windows to get to the desktop, move the mouse pointer to the bottom right corner and click. And to get back all the windows up, click again. Or if you're using the keyboard at the moment, you don't need to go to the mouse. Just press the Windows and D keys to minimize all the windows and the same keys to restore the windows. Or you can also press the Windows and M keys to minimize all the windows and the Windows Shift and M keys to restore them. And before ending, a bonus tip. If you need to minimize all the windows but keep the active window open, hold down the Windows key and press Home. And to restore all the apps again, press the Windows and Home keys. Or like I've shown in my previous video, you can use the arrow shake feature. Just click on the title bar of the active window and give it a shake to minimize all the windows, and shake it again to restore them all. Thank you for watching.